Coming. Ready? Dang. It's not enough room. It don't fit.
She is secured.
Perfect. We are going to do a race between the scooter and airplane. And you're thinking, what in the airplane's gonna win? But it might not, it really might not. So anyways, Valara sent me this scooter to test out, to review. I kind of was hesitant to do it. I was like, I don't need a scooter, you know, whatever. But then I got thinking, I was like, when you fly somewhere, you're stuck at that place. You can't go anywhere. This could be a very good option to get into town, to go somewhere. It's got pretty cool specs. We're gonna talk about those later. But first, where we're gonna go is out into the desert, and we're gonna race to the top of a mountain. It's this butte that is a giant mountain out in the middle of the desert. And there's a little airstrip there. So we can land there, and then it's gonna be a race to the top. You're probably looking at this going, how are you gonna get that in there? And you're right, we're thinking the same thing. So yeah, that's our mission right now. See if we can get this scooter in the airplane. We were thinking maybe we'll strap it to the plane, but it's too heavy. It actually weighs 90 pounds. It's so heavy. Yeah, this is... You got that side?
Yep. Then just take it and set it right up on that bar.
Nope, it's not gonna fit.
Dang it.
So it'd have to go back in first, but then the handlebars won't fit. The other option is we have another plane take it out for us.
I think we go help Joel.
Which kind of defeats the purpose of, like, they do make smaller scooters, by the way. This is their top-notch, big, badass scooter.
And it is pretty cool.
It is really awesome, and I'm really excited to see how it performs up on this mountainous, crazy road. I think it's gonna be perfect. Perfect spot.
Oh yeah.
We just gotta get it out there. Like, I was thinking on the gear right here.
Yeah, I looked at that, but there's really no way to...
Yeah, I don't know. Gosh, this is ginormous.
Jonas getting his workout today.
Yeah. Well, the back went in. That might actually work. Let's see if I can get in. Yeah, I got this. So this is actually an option still if you don't want to take a passenger. And it still might be an option if you want to take a passenger, a really small one.
A Jonas size.
Jonas size. Yeah, actually there is a decent amount of space in there.
Rand's S7, boys.
Yeah. And we did do the limits, and we're all good on CG, so you guys don't need to be concerned. It's really actually pretty good. Still get our seatbelts on. Barely. We're good.
Sweet.
Yeah. All right. Let's go out to the mountain.
Range of movement good. Does anybody else feel like they have a big scooter in the back?
This one's gonna be a little tight for me.
You good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. All right.
Holy cow. We're fitted in here.
We're tight like little bugs.
Yep.
Okay. That's crosswind departure.
Yeah, your radio calls are better than mine. See how the Rams performs. You can feel it on.
Oh, it's heavy.
I mean, the performance is actually still really good compared to other aircraft. Yeah, I guess you don't necessarily need a GPS for this flight, huh?
No.
We can see our landmark.
Right?
beautiful. Dude, that was a friggin' sweet landing. And we are out in the desert. It's pretty rough, actually.
It's really rough.
I mean, this is no little tire strip. Look at this freaking little ranch out here.
I know, it's so cool.
Like, that's my
Whoa!
buddy. He was hauling ass.
What was that?
Wham!
Was that a falcon?
There's a falcon. Oh, Jesus.
What happened?
Fuck. Shit.
Oh, you just stepped
watch
in.
out for landmines.
You just stepped in cow shit.
I'm gonna go take a swim.
We literally just saw a falcon take out a little bird, and it was holding it in its claws.
Yeah, that was cool.
Don't scratch it there.
I'll move the pool noodle. And we're safety belted in.
Yeah.
You let me know when you
I think I got it. I got it.
Okay.
I got it. I got it. It's heavy. It's heavy.
It weighs more than you do.
It's so heavy.
Think you got enough battery in that to make it to the top?
Apparently it goes 45 miles. Now uphill, I don't know.
Find out.
Yeah. I did not think it was going to be this big.
I get that a lot. Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Welcome to the Big Butte. This is how the race is gonna go. It's about 1,000-foot elevation. Do you know, Joel? So I'm gonna go up midway. I'll be on handheld, and basically when I get to the gate, I'm gonna say go, and Joel and Jason are gonna take off, and we're gonna see who makes it to the top first. This thing is a pretty badass scooter. Range 45 miles. It's got a 60-volt battery. It can climb 30 degrees, 30+ degree angle, and it can go 45 miles per hour. It's got 2 dual motors, so it is all-wheel drive, and it's got a full suspension. It can take up to 330 pounds. You and me could probably go on this. Eagle 1 Pro model versus 2 Rans S7s. Who will make it to the top? Joel, you ready?
Yep, let's do it.
You ready?
Sure.
You guys ready? Here we go. It's a little bumpy. Alright, we'll see you up there. Oh, here we go. We got our first jump. Oh man. Holy crap, this thing goes. So as I'm going 25 miles an hour, this is actually pretty cool. Definitely beats a one wheel, hands down. God, this is some rough terrain. Definitely eating the power on this. I don't know if you can see anything from that GoPro. It's probably so bumpy. Getting close to the gate where we can start the race. I'm impressed though so far. This thing is honestly handling this terrain like a champ. Like, I cannot believe how well it's doing. Power feels like it's dying though, not gonna lie. This next section is pretty steep, so definitely a good test. On full power. Full power. Oh! Yeah, it probably would have kept going, but it was pretty bumpy. Let's see what our battery, it's actually not too bad. 76% on our battery. Not easy stuff. Oh. Oh. It's actually quite a workout too, going up that road. We make a radio call. You guys there?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I made it to the gate. That was gnarly.
I'll bet it was.
If you guys take off in 5 minutes,
Okay.
I think that'll be a fair, pretty close call for me to, I don't know, probably not. It's you guys are still gonna probably kick my ass, but we're gonna give it a best shot.
All right. Yeah, we'll get loaded up and get ready to taxi over.
All right, race is on.
Okay, this is definitely probably more than 30 degrees. There we go. I'm gonna try. Come on, baby. Oh, I'm gonna be so tired by the end of this. Come on, baby. Oh, they're gonna kick my ass. This is way too steep. I gotta push with the other leg. GoPro just hit my, good thing I had full face helmet on. I'm dying. Maybe this wasn't the best test area. I'm gonna radio. Hey guys, maybe give me a little bit of a break. Oh dang, they're up right now. Oh, I'm not gonna make it at all. Well, I think it levels out up here and does more switchbacks than I'm gonna call out. You got me?
I got you. You're at my 9.
I had to take a break. They're already at my altitude. Oh, they totally kicked my ass. Oh, no fun. No fun at all. I mean, we were crawling on full throttle right now. Oh, this is super steep. I didn't think it was this steep. Oh man. I'm still gonna see if I can make it to the top, but obviously the race has already been won. The race has definitely already been won. But let's see if we can keep going.
Almost to the top? I'm almost there. See that racer? Did you just do switchbacks?
No, I just took it straight over. I'm already at the top. You're in front of me. I'm a little higher than you. I'm right off your right wing.
I got you inside now.
Right over the peak.
Yeah, there you are. You made her.
Don't see Jonas.
Talk about side ache. Whew. This is gnarly. Switch cam. Honestly, it's crazy that it's going up this right now. We're getting to some flat spot. Yes. Oh, there we go. This is where we should have started the race.
Yeah, we're up here a ways, aren't we?
Crazy. Oh, if it wasn't so bumpy, I could be hauling butt. Flat, downhill. My hands are so gone.
Got some big lift.
Yeah, when I hit that backside, it just threw me up like 1,000 foot. I was at an idle.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
Since we totally lost that, let's see where these guys are. You guys read me? You got a copy? Oh, I see Jason. He's landing right now. Have a copy?
I got you.
All right, I hear you loud and clear. Looks like you guys made it up and down.
You went at the top.
I was not at the top. You guys definitely kicked my butt. I gotta hand it to this Vlara Eagle One Pro scooter. I am way the heck up here. And this thing is at 59%, 60% on the battery life. I'm pretty impressed. I still got a little bit more altitude if I wanted to make it to the top. I don't think we need to. I'll go up to the top here and show you out over the lookout here. My hands hurt from how bumpy it was. So I'm probably gonna head up there, check it out, and then we'll head down. Oh, sweet. All right, we made it to the paraglider launch. That's the top up there. I actually was here in a video a long time ago. I launched off this, and I launched off the top with my speed wing. So here we go, let's go down, see how the brakes work. Oh Nelly. Yeah, when it doesn't have an incline, it goes pretty quick. Never would I have thought I could do this with a freaking scooter. Ow, 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 ow. Handlebars are coming loose. Brakes are awesome. I'm coming, boys! I'm almost there. Oh, handlebars, please hold together. There's a freaking Jeep. I'm sure they're like, what? Was that a scooter? Ow! We're almost there. I'm coming! Harry! Harry! I got room for one more.
Heading to Aspen?
Heading to Aspen.
Here we go.
Look at these handlebars. We probably should crank those down a little more.
Maybe next, yeah.
Yeah. Battery level is 56%.
That's pretty good.
It's impressive. And it's so steep.
It's steep.
That thing is like, what was I doing? I'm like, my hands hurt so bad. From just,
I was like, I bet his arms are pumped.
you know, well, it's, I don't know. I was like, maybe I need to soften the suspension on this. All right, let's load up.
Theory, charge this, run to our hometown and back if you want to get groceries without it.
Exactly. Like if you really want to, instead of buying a Tesla, you could buy this.
Not as cool as Volkswagen Diesel Rabbit.
Definitely not as cool as that. That's hard to beat.
We got enough love, so maybe we won't have to buy